So these are the formulas of that is magnetism and matter. Okay. So this lesson carries very less marks. Okay, keep that in mind. But the next electromagnetic induction and AC current will carry more. Mostly here they can ask reasoning questions. Okay, or they can ask numericals. Mostly you can focus more on numericals and reasoning questions from this lesson. Okay. So you know what is axial line and equatorial line. What is an axial line? What is an axial line? Anyone? The line which passes through the two poles of the magnet is known as axial line. What is equatorial line? The line which is perpendicular to the axial line is said to be equatorial line. Okay. So yes, axial line means the line which passes, the imaginary line which passes through the two poles of the magnet is axial line. Equatorial line means what? The line which is perpendicular to axial line is said to be equatorial line. Okay. Now, next one is electromagnetic induction. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Just 1 minute. Sir.
Okay. Now, shall I raise this one? Abid,
no,
are you there?
Sir, Abid, can you tell me the eighth one?
M is equal to C into B0 by T. Magnetization is equal to C is Curie constant, B0 is the magnetic field, T is the temperature. Here chi is susceptibility, C is Curie constant, mu0 is permeability of free space, T is temperature. Here C is X is equal to chi is equal to C by T minus Tc. Tc is Curie temperature, C is Curie constant. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Abid, are you there? Abid?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, is this clear, man?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
If anything, if you are facing difficulty or anything is not clear, just you can ask me or you can write in the chat box. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
next one is what? Electromagnetic induction. Shall I start the next lesson?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to go through this.
Yes, sir.
You have to revise this lesson today. There's a homework for you. You have to revise this, and I have conducted only the test for that is electricity, current electricity. Only the theory part I conducted. Numericals I will conduct maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll plan for it. Not tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. I'm planning for a test for numericals of current electricity. After that, moving charge and magnetism theory, and then like that it will go on. Before 20th itself, I'll try to finish up the alternate. I will conduct alternate day. There will be a test. Is that clear? And everyone has to submit on the same day. Please do it because once the school will start, I'm not going to again conduct the exams. Okay, test for some time. Okay. Is that clear, all of you? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Alternate day will do it. Like suppose alternate day means tomorrow is Friday. So Saturday keep that in the mind. Saturday I'll be going for a numerical test. Okay, numerical test on current electricity. Okay, you can note it down somewhere. And please don't tell me the reasons again. Sir, I have this one, that one, and all. Last 10 days I haven't conducted any test or like I haven't taken classes also. Okay. Then Friday, then Monday. Then Monday I will conduct moving charge theory test on moving charge and magnetism. Theory test on moving charge magnetism. Okay. Moving charges and magnetism. Next one is what? Tuesday, Wednesday. Then Wednesday will be test on magnetism and like theory, practical test. Sorry, numerical test. Numerical test on the same, on moving charge and magnetism. Okay. Then again Friday, please note down this one. I'll prepare the papers in advance. Okay. Friday will be complete magnetism and matter. There is no separate test on theory and practicals. Okay, or numericals. Magnetism and matter completely or one test will be there Friday. Here, you can take a picture on this one. So what is the Saturday? Today's date is what? Today is 11, 13. 13/8, then here 15/8, and then 17/8, then 19. Finish. Please take the picture and post it in the group so that everyone will remember. Please don't postpone this test. Please write the test on the same day and send it to me. Okay, if you can write it, come and write it here, that will be better. So it will be easy for me to correct. Otherwise, it's okay. You can send me on the WhatsApp. I'll correct it and send. Okay. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, I'm going for the next one. Next chapter.
Sir, on Friday it is theory or numerical for magnetism and matter?
The complete. There is no separate test for test theory and numericals. One test
Okay.
altogether. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because it is a very small lesson. We
Yeah,
cannot
sir.
break that into two tests. Okay.
Numericals are less for this.
Yeah, that's what. That's what. Very less. So that's what only reasoning. Mostly 5 questions I will ask from numericals. Sorry, reasoning questions. And 5 there are 2 derivations and numericals will be there. Small numericals, like 2 mark numericals will be there. So mostly it will be not a long mark, only like 2 mark, 1 mark per type of questions in from magnetism and matter. Okay. Next one, we have electromagnetic induction now.
Numerical test of which chapter?
He will post it. Okay. He has taken the picture. He'll post it. Aaron will post it. Electromagnetic induction. Okay. Electromagnetic induction. In simple words, we say EMI. Okay. Electromagnetic induction. We write EMI. Clear? Now, now here, see here. Before, like earlier, we discussed that whenever there is a current in a conductor, around it there is a magnetic field. Is that clear? We studied that whenever there is a current in a conductor, around it there is a magnetic field. This was explained by many scientists. Like who told Oersted told about this, then Ampere told about this, then we have Ampere, then thumb rule, right hand thumb rule. Many rules are there. Okay, so those all of many scientists told that whenever there is a current in a conductor, around it there is a magnetic field. But now Michael Faraday, he was doing experiment on a loop. Okay, he was doing. So we are studying that whenever there is like he was studying like he was doing some experiment on a loop like this. Okay, on a current, there is no current in the loop. He was thinking that suppose there is no current in the wire, when I'm like he has taken a magnet like this. He has taken a magnet. Now he kept this conductor in the presence of a magnetic field, and he wanted to see whether any current is induced in the can we produce current in the conductor with the help of magnetic field. Means in the other way, in the other way, like in the reciprocal way. Means like when there is a current in the conductor, around it there is a magnetic field. Now there is when we are giving magnetic field, can we induce current in the conductor? His experiment was on that. Now what he has done is this man he took a loop like a circular loop, and he was keeping a magnet very close to it like this, and like in different alignments, like in this way, or he was changing the direction of the wire, and like that he was doing so many experiments. So his wife, actually, to be frank, Michael Faraday he's from US. So Michael Faraday, he's not a basically he's not a scientist actually. He hasn't done like PhD and all. So this man, he was doing some experiments like this. So his wife brought some food and kept on the table. But this fellow, he forgot. He was completely into the experiments. She again warmed the food again. She kept it on the table, and she reminded also like that. She did for 7 times, and the last time she got fed up. And there was a magnet on the table. She threw the magnet on that fellow, on this Michael Faraday, but it missed and passed through this coil. It missed and